Today is all about rust removal. Exciting times over here. Really just fun stuff. So I've never done rust removal before. I got, hold on, this little wire wheel, brush, elbow grease. Didn't know they sold it, it's in stores. And I got this, rusty metal primer. So yeah, let's get started on removing some of this rust. So basically what I'm gonna do is clean up all of this as much as possible. Just clean it up first and then I'll get started on the rust removal. Safety first. I gotta work on my ability to do work and film the work properly, because I have a hard time doing that. I have a hard time doing the work properly. I don't even know what I'm doing, but we're learning. So, like I said earlier, I didn't know this could be done. Here's my paint. This is Avis Blue. Avis Blue. Ooh, I got a hole in my crotch. So, gave them the paint code. They mixed up some, threw it in a spray can. So now what I'm gonna do is I've not sanded, but I've wire wheeled. I've wire wheeled all the rust, and to be honest, I used a brush for most of it. I think I did a pretty good job. I don't know if I captured it on camera, but I got most of the rust. Yeah, then I sprayed rusty metal primer to protect it, and then I went and got this, which is my blue, and I'm going to spray it over the top of it and hopefully make it look decent. I don't know. I mean, at the end of the day, this is under a spare tire, under a carpet, so no one's even going to see this. It's more for my OCD peace of mind, and it's not going to be perfect, but it'll be perfect enough for me. So let's finish this. Whew. My girlfriend is so happy that I finally get to use one of these. She's bought like a box of them. I don't know if she thinks, I don't know. But, all right, so now we're gonna let the paint dry. I mean, honestly, the paint was the easiest part. And again, I'm sure there are ways to be much more thorough for this. I am going to take my time on this build, but with things like this that you're never going to see, I removed a lot of the rust. There wasn't that much to begin with. Tried to repair it. I think this is adequate for sure. So we're gonna let it dry. Then I'm gonna clean up the trim pieces that go back in there. And then we'll get the trunk back assembled. I'm gonna wait to put the battery back in because I wanna get a battery tray for that. So I'm gonna order that as well and get that going. But so far so good, it's looking good. I'm pretty stoked with this. So next thing should be once it's dry. We're back and it should be dry, so let's look at it. Yeah, buddy. Oop. So I put the plastic pieces back in. I mean, all in all, I am not upset with this at all. I mean, this was the worst part, but it's nice. It's not bad. I mean, yeah, everything's good. So, like I said earlier, removed most of the rust. I'm gonna wait to put the battery back in, get a battery tray mounted in there. Super easy. Yeah, that'll be it for today. At least that I'm gonna film. I'm probably gonna rip up the carpet and try and get most of the audio junk out of there because I'm just not much for that. And then I'm gonna order some interior pieces and get the interior all buttoned back up and hopefully looking on point. Then we can start on, I don't know, you choose. Brakes, suspension. I think when I do, we'll get down to that topic. But yeah, this was good. So smash the like button here. Smash subscribe, please. Stay tuned with this build. Like I said, I'm planning on taking it the full way. So subscribe and watch more E36 M3 content. Cheers, fellas.